डिफरेंट पार्ट कर देते जेड जेड एगुड़ा सब डिफरेंट पार्ट रे डिवाइड कर ओके से कौन होची बर्तमान यही एफ फाइल इज स्प्लिट इनटू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स और डिफरेंट पीसेस एंड ईच पीस इज नोन एज द फ्रैगमेंट ये पीस गुडी आम कौन कहले प्रत्येक पीस को आम कौन कहले फ्रैगमेंट फ्रैगमेंट each piece is known as the fragment. This fragments is scattered throughout the disk or you can say ये जो piece गुड़ी को अच्छे पूरा disk रे खेले ही के चारिया डॉक्टर in a uncontiguous manner. It means that suppose एटी गुटे x रहिला एटी गुटे x रही ची एटी गुटे x रहिला हमर केतरा x तीनटा x नहीं थे y चारिटा नहीं चली ये y रहिला एटी y रहिला ये y रहिला एटी हमें गुटे y रखते चार्टा वाई रखिले जेड तीन टा रखते एठी रखिले गोटे जेड ये गोटे जेड एठी गोटे जेड यही भाव रही एवं यही सेल गुड़ी कौन अच्छी फ्री बर्तमान अच्छी एटा सब फ्री दिस फ्री अच्छी एफ आर ई फ्री सब लिखाई दिस इज फ्री ओके फ्री है सब रही एटा फ्री बर्तमान सिचुएशन यही भाया अच्छी अर्थात लार्ज स्केल और लार्ज साइज फाइल को आम गोटे लार्ज फाइल को आम डिफरेंट फ्रैगमेंट डिवाइड कले एवं ईच फ्रैगमेंट इज स्कैटर्ड इनसाइड द डिस्क एंड दिस इज स्टोर्ड इन ए अनकंटिन्यूअस लोकेशंस अनकंटिन्यूअस बा कंटिन्यूअसली ये नहीं एटा को आम कहते फ्रैगमेंटेशन दिस इज फ्रैगमेंटेशन दिस इज नोन एज फ्रैगमेंटेशन ये जो फ्रैगमेंटेशन होची व्हेन फाइल इज इन फ्रैगमेंटेड फॉर्म एट दैट टाइम आसेसिंग टाइम इज वेरी स्लो जदि कौन सी फाइल एठू आसेस करिया चाहूँ स्लो एंड कंप्यूटर भी स्लोली फाइल को आम जब ओपन करिया चाहूँ ये कंडीशन ले कंप्यूटर कौन स्लो हो जाए तो accessing you can say accessing time is very slow in case of fragmentations clear तेणु fragmentations को आमे कन्वर्ट करिया बर्तमान कौन डिफ्रैगमेंटेशन को डिफ्रैगमेंटेशन कौन होची ना सेम डिस्क रे ये ताको गोटे कंटीन्यूअस फॉर्म में सजेक रखुची ओके ऐसे रही 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 ओके एबे आमे कौन करिबा डिफ्रैगमेंटेशन करिबा डिफ्रैगमेंटेशन फ्रैगमेंटेशन डिफ्रैगमेंटेशन कौन कर जो स्कैटर्ड ही फाइल गुड़ी अच्छी से फाइल गुड़ी को गोटे कंटिन्यूअस मैनर रे रखुची अर्थात एक्स पाखरे एक्स 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 ओके देन वाई 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 चार्टा वाई नहीं देन जेड 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 तो ये कौन है एगुड़ी सब फ्री हो गला एगुड़ा सब फ्री फ्री स्पेस रहीगला सब फ्री ये सब फ्री स्पेस पाई गले ये तो डिफ्रैगमेंटेशन जता होची इट इज इजी टू एक्सेस द फाइल एवं एक्सेसिंग टाइम भी बहुत कम रुए इट टेक्स द मोर एक्सेसिंग टाइम्स और एक्सेसिंग प्रोसेसिंग इज वेरी स्लो बट इन केस ऑफ एक्सेसिंग इज वेरी फास्ट एज कंपेयर टू फ्रैगमेंटेशंस डिफ्रैगमेंटेशन कौन कला ये जो फाइल गुड़ी स्कैटर्ड हो रही फाइल गुड़ी कंटिन्यूअस मैनर में कंटिन्यूअस लोकेशंस रे ये सत्ता को सजेक रखिदले एवं रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द डिस्क मेक्स फ्री एंड दैट पार्ट इज यूज्ड फॉर अदर पर्पस क्लियर this is known as the fragmentation and this is defragmentations. These activities can be performed, you can perform this type of job using one software, that software is disk defragmentation software. Clear? बुझेला तो ये आम देखिले कौन गोटे कंप्रेशन सॉफ्टवेयर, गोटे बैकअप सॉफ्टवेयर, गोटे डिफ्रैगमेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर। ओके ना तो डिफ्रैगमेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर कौन कहूँ आउ थे कहूँ द डिफ्रैगमेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर इन सम सिचुएशंस suppose there is a large file and that file is not possible to store a single locations. At that time the file is split or file is break into multiple pieces, and each piece of that file is known as the fragment, and this each pieces of the file is located in the disk in a contiguous manner, uncontiguous manner. एटी हमें कौन कहले uncontiguous manner रहे, uncontiguous manner. This is stored in uncontiguous locations. Uncontiguous locations. Okay. And here, when the file is fragmented and that every piece is located in different locations in uncontiguous locations, or you can say uncontiguous manner, your accessing time is very slow in case of fragmentations. And when you make it speed, तमें जब speed up करिया पे चाहूँ your accessing time, then you should do it defragmentations. And defragmentations कौन हुए ना every piece of that file is located in a continuous manner, and some free space is available there, and that free space can be used for other purpose. And here in that case, if the file is in defragmented manner, then your accessing time is very less and your computer runs speedily. This is known as disk defragmentation software. So clear all vartala disk defragmentation software kon कहूँ. Now come to the point, antivirus software. Before going to antivirus software, we have to make us understand what is the virus. What is virus? Student, as you know, software is the set of programs, and here program is to do a particular job. Clear? And this kind of works we are doing in a constructive manner, in a constructive thoughts point of view, in a constructive intention point of view. We are writing some programs, and that set of programs create one software, that is our software. Okay, the software which is here to do the destruction, the software which is here to perform any kind of malicious actions, any kind of unexpected, that's a software which is created in a negative intention, is known as the virus. The virus is one type of software which is used to damage, to corrupt, to hijack, to steal any kind of softwares from other computers. You can see that virus is developed in a negative thoughts, and antivirus is developed to protect your computers, to protect your programs and files from that kind of a virus softwares. So one is virus software. Virus आम तो कही पार दिस इज हार्मफुल, virus is harmful, it is used in destructive purpose, destructive purpose ram use कर purpose. It is virus is used to hijack the files from other files. It is used to do any type of corruption and damage on our important documents. It can create, it can do a damage on of our important files or programs or documents. it can hijack or stole some kind of our important files. This is the virus. Virus is nothing. Virus is one kind of software. Virus is a separate thing. Virus is one type of software. This software is used to do any type of malicious actions. That we call malicious actions. Malicious actions, activities. For to do any kind of malicious activities, virus software is used. Clear? And this kind of software is also known as malware. Malware is a software. It is a software, and that is a malicious software. Malicious software, that's why its name is malware. The malware is one kind of software which is known as the virus software. Clearly, and malware is a virus software which is here to perform any kind of malicious activities. Malicious activities means to do the destruction on our computers or destruction kind of important files or programs. That the malicious activities mean unexpected activities, any kind of damage, hijacking the files and replicating the unnecessary files. बेले तुम देखु तो कंप्यूटर गोटे फाइल गोटे पेज खोलु तो ता भितर थाउजेंड्स फाइल पर ऑटोमेटिकली रिप्लिकेट हो जाउ तो कॉपी हे पछ पछ भारी आस्तु ये कंप्यूटर को तुमको रन करिया पे इजीली अलाउ करे नहीं. दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज किस नोन आते मैलिशियस एक्टिविटीज. एवं मैलिशियस एटा छोट छोट कथा नुहे, बहुत बड़ बड़ डैमेज भी करे. गोटे गोटे कंपनी मिलियंस डॉलर को भी ये नष्ट कर दे पारे. दैट काइंड ऑफ वायरस. तेणु ये भाइरस को प्रोटेक्ट करिया पे वी नीड ए डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर. The antivirus software. Antivirus software is here to protect your computer, to prevent your important files from this kind of malwares or this kind of virus softwares. Clear? This is antivirus softwares. And antivirus softwares comes along with the operating systems. You can use such type of antivirus softwares. Otherwise, you can buy some good quality antivirus software from other vendors. And here students, you can understand what is the role of antivirus software. So you can say antivirus software is one kind of software which is used to fight with the virus softwares, or you can say malwares. Okay, next, our last utility software is the text editor. This is the text editor. So what do you mean by text? Text, you can say the alphanumeric character, or you can say that's the alphanumeric data. Text जो तो आमे करछन that text alphabets को allow करछे, alphabet and number. तेणु आम कंबाइनली आम कहते कौन अल्फा न्यूमेरिक. अल्फा न्यूमेरिक. Okay. This text can be edited. You can change the text, or you can say using the text editor you can write simply the English words or English numbers. You can say some digits or numbers you can write. And using the text editor, MS Word is not a text editor. Example, I कही पारे Notepad is a text editor. Notepad doesn't allow to change any type of background colors. Notepad doesn't allow to change any kind of font of your words. Notepad cannot allow any kind of size or color of that words. This kind of activities can be performed by the MS Word. That MS Word is different kind of softwares. That is it is also application software, but it is not text editor. Here a text editor is simply to change a simple you can perform a simple actions and simple changes can be happened using the text editor. So Notepad is a text editor and MS Word is not a text editor. In MS Word you can find more options to edit your text. In MS Word there is more options more facilities. It facilitates us to do different kind of changes, but a text editor is here. Text editor is intent to write some text, and it allows to do some little bit changes on our text. That is the text editor. I can give the example, that's the Notepad. So Notepad is the text editor. Students, come to here. So application software, from our beginning of our class, I already told you that application software is categorized into three types. One is utility software, is general purpose software, and another is special purpose software. Under the utility software, and utility software is here to to configure, to optimize, and to analyze, and to maintain your computers. Along with the operating system and some device drivers, we need some additional software. We need some different kind of softwares, that additional software which is used to make our computer more efficient and to make it trouble free. And that utility software comes along with the operating system and the device drivers, but we can buy different kind of utility software, and utility software is here to perform this kind of jobs. One is compression job, backup job, disk defragmentation job, antivirus software also available in utility softwares, and some kind of text editor also available. This is all about the utility software. In your next class, we will discuss about the general purpose application software and special purpose application software. For today's session, that's all. Thank you.